Okay, for 85 it says write and solve an inequality for the situation. To honor 50 years in business, the bowling company is having an anniversary special. Shoes rent for $1.25 and each game is $0.75. Charlie has $20 and needs to rent shoes. How many games? So it's $1.25 for the shoes plus 0.75 times however many games, so G, he's going to bowl. And it says he has $20, how many games can he bowl? So the amount of money he spends, which is this, right? This amount of money has to be less than or equal to the amount of money he has, which is less than or equal to 20, right? So now we solve, right? So I subtract 1.25 from both sides, and I get 0.75G is less than or equal to 18.75. Now we divide both sides by 0.75, divided by 0.75, and that comes out to G is less than or equal to 25. So it says, how many games can he bowl? 25 games or less. That's how many games he can bowl.